My name is Dan Ayers. I work here at the Guild. Just been working on this Mercedes behind us. Put a new headliner in. We started from scratch, so we just took the old headliner out, took the old padding out, relined the roof with padding, put the new bows in, painted them up, and then we just put the bows in and just started putting the top on. So if you have a headliner you're about to put on but you don't have the old headliner, so you have to put the rods in where they go, and then sometimes I'll tape it from rod to rod to make sure that they stay in place, and then I'll take my measurements from that. But usually they're pretty much the same measurement till you get down to the back. So with the Mercedes, I started off by, once I had the rods through the material, I'd glue it down the sides of the car with a special Landau roof glue that doesn't come apart. So you leave everything with the extra material on until you have it all glued in the car, and then you cut the salvage off at the end so that when you put the windlace and the rubber trim on the window, it covers everything. Yeah, the most important thing to get the top without wrinkles on it is to make sure once you're cutting where the rods come through, you make sure you don't cut the material too far. You just cut a little bit at a time, pull it down, see if you get the wrinkles out. If they're still there, you cut a little more, pull it down, and you finally get all the wrinkles out. It's all glued on and it should hold. I hope he enjoys the car for many years to come, because it's going to be a sharp looking unit.